Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jimmy here with True Homes. I'm about to go into this house. This is the first time I've been in this home since drywall has gone up. It's been a minute. This is the Hudson. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, about 2,200 square feet. One of our more popular floor plans. Love this front porch. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is our transitional floor plan or lifestyle. So when you come in, I'm gonna turn it around. Look at that, these beautifully painted white walls here. So we are still in the construction stage. As you can see, we don't have flooring in yet, but you can get an idea of the floor plan. You've got this nice open study right here, or with the French doors, with the nice open windows, a lot of natural light right there. And you've got your dining area right here. You've got your kitchen. I love these counters. Check out the white counters. Can't wait to see what backsplash. I bet we're gonna go with maybe a darker backsplash on there, and probably some matte black lighting, like with the pendant lights and the lighting fixtures. And then this is what I love. Check out the great room over here. So the great room is, it's like kind of tucked away in the corners, hidden over here. So you're in the front, you come in the front door, you can see all the way into the kitchen, but you can't see into the great room. But you can be in the great room, hanging out, watching the game, whatever, hanging out, and you can still interact with the people in the kitchen, which is pretty cool. And you have your separate dining space over there, but you also have this large kitchen island that you can eat at. Let's take a quick look at the rest of the home. So right here, we've got a drop zone. So you can come in through the garage right here. So you come in through the garage, 2-car garage. You got a drop zone right here, and there's gonna be some folks working upstairs. I love these switchback stairs right here. These are not sound effects. This is some music playing with the workers up here. So looks like they're doing some painting in here. Here's the primary bathroom. We got the tray ceiling and a sitting area there. Looks like cabinets or counters are going in. We're doing some tile work right now. What's up? So we're doing some tile work in the primary bathroom right there. Here's a look at your laundry room. You got a loft right here, so you can set up a TV, some furniture over here in this space. Then you got another full bathroom right there. Oh, we went with the gray matte laminate cabinets. You got another bedroom right here and another bedroom right here. So this is a really cool floor plan. This one is going to be for sale for $349,900. Take that back. It's not going to be for sale. It is for sale right now. It's supposed to be it's scheduled for completion by April 28th. So you can make an offer on this house right now. You can be moved in by the beginning of May. Hit me up, let me know if you have any questions. See you next time.